I wish you all a very, very, very happy Republic Day. I know that our country is in crisis currently, but I hope that everything gets better. That's what we can wish for. In this video, I'm just going to talk about products that are either made in India or they are Indian brands. Basically, our country is getting benefit directly or indirectly by selling or manufacturing these products. In a way, if you can do something for your country, I'm not saying that you have to buy makeup, but anything. It can be skincare, it can be clothes, it can be household stuff. If I have done any dedicated video on these products, I will link them in the description down below. So without any further ado, let's just get started. So after prepping my skin, the first step that I'll do is setting my eyelid area, and I'll use a compact powder for that. And then I'll go with this PAC eyeshadow palette. This is all matte eyeshadow palette and this is into neutral tones. So if you are one of those people who like a neutral tone eyeshadow palette in brown undertones, a little bit of orangey and warm undertones as well, then this is the palette that you can try. It's a very easy blendable palette. I'll use the third shade of the first row of this palette as a transition shade, and I'll apply it all over my lid. Then I'll use the second shade from the second row and I'll use it on my crease line area. The idea here is to keep on building color and create that depth. Now I'm mixing these two shades and I'm using it on my outer V area. Whatever is left on my brush, I will apply it on my inner lid area. And then I'll use my K-Beauty Kajal in the shade Spade. This is a beautiful kajal. It stays for a really long time. At least on my eyelid it does. And I just want to use it as a kajal. I don't want to apply it as a liner. I won't be making a wing with it. We'll be just creating that soft look with it. So then I'll use this particular shade from the PAC eyeshadow palette to just soften the kajal. For mascara, I'll be using Nykaa mascaras. I'll be mixing all three of them to get the most. These are not my favorite mascaras, honestly, but if you're blessed with good lashes and you just want one aspect from your mascara, then definitely these are something that you can check out. So if you're really bored of heavy waterproof mascaras, you can definitely try these. In order to fill my pores, I'll be using Colorbar's Flawless Finish Primer. This one is for 500 rupees. It's such a good primer if you have very small pores and if you want that mattification on just your high points wherever you secrete a lot of sebum and you want something oil controlling. I was going for a dewy look over here, something which is very soft and looks like skin. So I'll be using Rene Cosmetics Stick Highlighter in the shade Gold. Now this is a great highlighter if you want something very soft. Here I'm applying it just on my high points wherever I like to highlight. If you'll see closely, I am just bouncing my beauty blender wherever I applied the highlighter. I am not spreading it all over my face. I'm just applying it on areas where I have very less texture or less pores. For foundation, I'll be using a Nykaa's Anti-Pollution Foundation. My shade is Pure Olive. Now this is a very medium to buildable kind of coverage foundation. This looks like a demi-matte finish. You can't make it look too matte or too dewy. It's just the right balance and right fit for me. I'm just taking a very tiny amount of it and using my beauty blender to blend it out on my skin. If you'll see, I am not applying it on my under eye area because the tone of my skin and the tone of my under eye area is very different. I wanted something long lasting but natural at the same time, so I'm choosing YBP color cream in the shade Witch. This is a very pigmented color cream. You can use it on your lips as well. This is safe for eyes, lips and cheeks. I do like to use it as my blush. It looks very natural. It requires a very tiny amount of it. I wish they come up with minis as well. I'm just taking a pea-sized amount of it and blending it with a dense brush. You can also use a beauty blender, but I just wanted to show a different way of using it because I have shown you guys how to use it with a beauty blender earlier, I think more than 4 times. For compact powder, I'll be using K Beauty's newly launched compact powders. Now this is a very beautiful compact powder if you want something for your dry skin type. I have been loving this one. It does have a very soft finish to it that it doesn't look drying and cracky sitting on your skin. For contour, I wanted something which is buildable, so here I'm using Sugar Contour de Force Mini Bronzer in the shade Woody Wonder. Now I like to use my bronzers as my contours and contours as my bronzers. And moving on with the lip liner, I'll be using PAC lip liner, and I think PAC makes one of the best affordable lip liners. This is in the shade Coffee. I'm just going to line my lips with it and then fill them. If we talk about lipsticks, I think many Indian brands have multiple options and multiple formulations that you can choose from. But here I'm just showing 2 of them. One is Bellora Paris and the other one is Seri Cosmetics. So I'll be using today Bellora Paris, but both of these I absolutely love them. The Bellora Paris one is a perfect nude for me if I'm not applying any makeup. It looks so beautiful if I apply makeup. It's icing on the cake, and I really like the formula of this one. It is a transfer proof concealer. I'll be using a Sugar's concealer in the shade Corn Panna or Corn Panna. This one is great if you're looking for something which has medium to buildable coverage. You require a very tiny amount of it. I've been using it recently and I really like how it stays on my skin. I'm just going to use my PAC 272 brush to just blend it out. With the help of K Beauty powder, I'm just going to set it. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.